today here we have a fine sharpening stone, like from the Lansky ones, and a Swiss.
I'm going to show you how to sharpen. What are you going to show us
I'm going
today?
to show you how to sharpen the knife for requirement 3. And first we have to hook this up like here, so tighten it in, tighten it like this, till you get it nice and sharp.
Show the camera what you're tightening.
Right there, we're tightening this. Okay. And you use this and the second one for like knives like this and this as an example. And this first one is 17, which you use for the little small knives and stuff. And number 2 is where you use these and knives like this. So 3 is for big buck knives, like those big, and the Gerber big survival knife. And number 4 is for big kitchen knives. First, I'm going to use the second one, and here's how you do it. You go with the blade. Go with the blade. With the blade. Go with the blade. About
Go towards the top.
And you can do that about 10-20 times, then switch to the other side. It'll be a little easier. This is just getting loose. Second one. Same thing on that side.
There you go. And that's how you sharpen.
And that's how you sharpen a knife.